Our people of Eredo, na election time we dey, so we don't come again. I won't beg una, make we not forget where we dey come from. This election are between light and darkness. Thank God say we don't witness two leading parties, PDP and APC. We know what happened for the PDP years. Now APC day, I won't beg una. On the 16th election they start. The first day now for election for president, for Senate, and for House of Rep. Now this be APC symbol. My face no go there, Buhari face no go there. Ighodalo face no go there. We won't beg una, make una not forget. Make una put on by the beside the broom. We will come meet una door to door to show una how we want to vote so that our vote go dey valid. Make these people not come tell us many lies. The way they tell before me they go start to share money again. We not get money to share. Now work now we feel work for APC. So we won't beg una. Any vote we una put for this broom for APC, now vote for Obaseki. If we like the good thing where Obaseki they do, make we continue to support them. Make we come out that day, make we come vote for Obaseki. We beg una, make una come out on the 16th of February, and the next election where they take place 2 weeks after, that was the House of Assembly. Una do well, my people of Oredo.